Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Today is an exciting day because we're going to peek into the garbage bag covered seed trays here and see if they are germinated. So it's been 9 days. Let me count just a second. Yes, 9 days since I planted the Frizzle Sizzle raspberry pansies and the Tattoo Vinca. And they're supposed to take between 10 to 14 days to germinate. And they like it dark, pitch black. So I've peeked in twice. I just opened the end of the garbage bag and saw that the humidity domes had plenty of water droplets on them. So I knew that they were moist enough. I couldn't see through all those water droplets to see if anything had really happened with the seeds yet, but I knew that I didn't need to add water to them. Now, because it's day 9 and it takes that 10 to 14 days to germinate, I need to look for sprouts, because as soon as these seeds sprout, you take it's going to be interesting, huh? You take the dark cloth or the garbage bags that they're in off and you put them under your bright grow lights. So let's see, and Pickle and Pumpkin are ready to help me see how the seeds did. Okay, boys, are you ready? This is pretty exciting. What do you see? Yeah, you don't talk yet, so I don't know. Okay, here we go. So this is how it looked when I peeked in, and you can tell. You really can't tell if anything's going on or not. So we're going to peel this back, and then we're going to lift off the top. Oh my goodness, look at this. We have almost every one of these has germinated. I probably should have checked sooner, but it said 10 to 14 days. I figured 9 was plenty safe. Yes, please don't eat my beautiful Vinca. You can sniff. That means these are ready to grow under the grow lights. Let me check. Oh no, these are the Frizzle Sizzle raspberry pansies on this side. Okay, we are going to have lots of pansies. Yes, we are. We'll put this over here. Are you ready for the other bag? Okay, get ready, boys. What do you see? How does it smell? It's so interesting, isn't it? Okay, this is going to be the Vinca. Okay, and we'll take off the lid. Oh, look at this. So I'm looking at these. Vinca must take a little bit longer, but I do see lots of little sprouts just started. So to me, that's a good sign. That means it is time to take them out. Let's get them under the grow lights. They look great. Do you give your approval? Yeah? Okay. That looks wonderful. It's so much fun, I know. Here we go. You can come over here. Yeah, we'll sniff from this side. How about that? Wave to everybody. Hello, I love to sniff seeds. Oh, yes, we do. Okay, so we have lots and lots of plants here. Now, with the grow lights, we're going to want to give them about, yes, oh, I know, it's so much fun. We're going to want to give them about 6 hours without the grow lights, where the grow lights turn off, and about 18 hours of nice, bright grow light time. And then they should do really well. Now, the grow light system I have, you don't have to raise and lower the grow lights. So I can just stick them underneath. It's going to be important to keep the tops of these moist, because remember, we didn't really bury these seeds, so they're very, very close to the top. We don't want that top layer to dry out. Hello, would you like to get down now? Yes, okay. There you go. We'll go and put them under the lights now. So we're here at the grow light system out in the breezeway, and up top I have my geraniums. They are not kidding when they say geraniums are slow growers. Like, they're doing fine, but compared to coleus that just seem to grow every day, they're getting there. We also have some of our impatiens here. So just to make it a little easier for myself, I'm going to move these down a shelf. And then this top shelf is where I'm going to put the vinca and our pansies. Let me go get them. So right away, I'm noticing that these larger peat pots that come in the larger size here have a bigger tray than I'm used to. So I can't fit 2 trays on the same shelf. However, we're going to make this work. Fortunately, I have other shelves. So I think what I'll do is move one of the geraniums back up here. Go. Oh, I think I can fit 2 geraniums up here. That will be perfect. There we go. Now, I could have squeezed both of these trays in by keeping one sort of a little out of the grow lights. If you have to do something like that, it's not the end of the world, but you do need to rotate them because those that are the most directly under the grow lights, it really does make a difference to them. I even find that like the outside row tends to not do quite as well unless I switch, if they're really packed in like that. So keep that in mind. I'm really looking forward to seeing how these come along. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.